Hello! Hi! Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you're all safe and well. So today I'm going to be doing a little how to put hair clips on your bangs for Decora fashion kind of tutorial video. And I'm really excited about this because I've been wanting to make this sort of video for a while now. I've had a couple of people ask before. So I thought now would be the perfect opportunity because I got my hair dyed a couple of days. As you can see, it's like a neon, like a greenish, pinkish, Cosmo, Wanda, Gumi, Megpoid, Ramona Flowers kind of vibe now. So I'm really happy with it. Also the back, I don't know if you can see, but it's like pink. I got a little undercut on the back as well. For those who might be wondering, the haircut that I have right now with these two long parts right here is usually called tomboyish side tails, but because I have the undercut on the back, so that's another thing. But yeah, that's usually what it's called. If anybody's interested in getting this kind of cut, I've been loving it so much. I love how it's like super short and I can still like play around with this part, and I don't know, I love it so much. But this isn't what this video is about. I'm sorry, I'm like rambling on about my hair, but yes, let's get into it. So to start off, I just want to say that there's like not one specific way to put hair clips on your bangs. There's like so many different ways, and I'll get into it in a little bit. But for those who have bangs, or I should say, for those who don't have bangs, I would recommend like looking into getting like clip-on bangs. They have like some that are black in color or blonde in color, which you can dye, or you can commission someone to dye it for you. My friend Toshi and Carolina, they both, I've seen them do like rainbow bangs commission for other people before, so you know, the clip-on kind. And you could also like have it parted in the middle, you know, put the clips on this part of it, or like a side bang. You know, you don't have to put the clips on bangs like this. And for those who might have like really short hair that you can't like put too many clips on, I probably recommend getting like a wig of some sort. I wear wigs quite often, and I find that putting clips on wig hair is like a lot easier because it's like a lot thicker too. I want to talk about that too, like the texture that your hair has to be. I don't really recommend hair that you've just washed, like you just got out of the shower and washed your hair. My hair is quite straight, and like out of the shower it is kind of soft because of the conditioner that I use, so the clips kind of slide off a little bit more than if my hair was like a day old. So yeah, I would probably recommend putting hair clips on your bangs like a day after you wash it, just to give your hair like more texture and stuff. Or you could like look into products that will give your hair more texture so that the clips have something to like really grip on. And I find too, like if I just wash my hair and I put the clips on, and then when I take off the clips, it'll leave a bunch of dents that just stay there for such a long time. So yeah, that's just a tip that I have. And so the two most important things, obviously you need your clips. So let me grab my hair clip box. So this entire thing, this is where I keep all my hair clips. I keep them all in like color order, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, all that. This is where it's all at. If y'all would like, maybe one day I could do like a hair clip tour kind of thing, because I've gathered quite a number of hair clips over the years. And then the second thing that you will need is a fine tooth comb. So it's got to be like this kind with the thingies all close together, not the ones that are not the wide tooth combs. It has to be fine tooth. So I've got my clips, and usually how I like decide the color combo or how exactly I want to put the clips on my hair is I'll try to match it to like the outfit that I'm wearing. So if it's like a really rainbow kind of outfit, I'll do like rainbow hair clips, or if it's like an all blue outfit, I'll wear like all blue hair clips. So it just really depends. And I mean, you don't even have to do that. Like, it's really completely up to you how exactly you want to be, and it's totally up to you to get as creative as you'd like to. That's the beauty of Decora, and I find that like putting hair clips on your bangs is honestly an art form in itself. So yeah, do what you want to. With hair clips and in life, do what you want to. So now that we've got our clips and our comb, you just want to like comb through your bangs just to make sure that you can't really like see through it. Make sure it's all good and ready. You want to prep it up real nice. And I've watched a couple of tutorials and I've read like tutorials on like how to put clips on your bangs, and everybody kind of has their own way. So some people, they start from top to bottom, some people they start from bottom to top, some just like go wherever they want to. I feel like I personally am more used to like going top to bottom. I feel like then I can, you know, just kind of see like, okay, I put that there and then that and then the next row and the next row. That's how I personally like doing it, but it's totally up to you how exactly you want to put the clips on your bangs. So yeah, for this tutorial I'm going to show how I do like top to bottom. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I grabbed the first clip that I want to do. I think what I want to do is start with this one. So I recommend these kinds, the ones that go like, I don't exactly know like what the name is, but they look sort of like these, like, and then you like clip, because these ones stay on your hair really well as compared to ones like this where it's not like a it's you. It's I don't know how to explain the difference, but you know what I mean. So you can see the difference between like this kind of hair clip versus this kind of hair clip and this one too. Like, you know, I recommend this kind as compared to these. But let me go ahead and put the first one at the top. So as you are putting the hair clip on your hair, you want to like hold your hair, the bang hair down, and then slide it on and clip it, just like that. And after you've clipped it on, you just want to comb it again, just to make sure that it's all straight and good. And then once you know you like the placement and everything, you can move on to the next hair clip. So you'll find for some hair clips that it might make it split. So let me try and show an example. I find with these kinds of hair clips, they usually end up showing a split. So let's see if I can make it happen. So like I was saying earlier, you know, I'm holding down my bangs and see, it's a little hard to put these ones on. Okay, there we go. So you see that? It does that. So that's why I like these ones a lot more than this kind, because they usually make a split, but it's okay. We can fix this. So how you want to fix these kinds of splits that happen is you grab your comb again. It's not gonna fix it exactly. I feel like I made it worse, honestly. But you can like kind of pinch it together. Oh man, it's a little bit hard to do with like my really long nails now, but you want to like kind of pinch it together, and then you grab another hair clip. So let's see, what hair clip should I use? I feel like that's the hard part is like trying to decide which hair clip to use. There's so many to choose from. I like using like bigger ones to hide it. So I will like kind of close the gap and then put this on and then clip it. Ta-da! It's gone! Yay! So yeah, that's how I recommend hiding a split, is just basically like holding the split and then putting another hair clip to cover the split that happened. Otherwise, if it's just not working out, you know, the hair clip that you're trying to use to hide it is not working, splits are happening everywhere, then I would recommend just starting all over from the beginning, taking off all the hair clips and then starting over again. There's some times where it's just really not working out. I had to like do it maybe 4 or 5 times until I got it right. Sometimes I do get quite frustrated, and I think at one point like I was just really having a bad day and it just wasn't working out, so I just started crying. I was like, please, hair clips, please work with me. So it was tough, but you got this. You can get through it. I know it's hard, but you can do it. So the next thing that I want to show y'all is how to stack 2 hair clips on top of each other. So I got these 2 dudes, and then I'm going to put one on, just like I did earlier, holding it down. Hold it down. Sorry, the meme just came. in my head. So yeah, I put one hair clip on and I got the other one, and I'll make like a cross with both of them. Ta-da! So it kind of adds like another layer, like it makes it look like there's more. Instead of just like individually putting all the hair clips, it's nice to stack them on top of each other and make them cross. Or you don't even have to make it like cross with two. You could add on more on top of each other, and it adds a little extra oomph. Let's put that other one on there and then pop. There you go. Alright, so let's continue putting on more of these. Just keep going and going until you like cover up your entire bang if you want to, or you can have it like super over the top, tons of clips, or not as many if you want to. Totally up to you. So I think what I'm personally gonna do for this one is I'm just gonna keep going and going ham until I fill up my entire bang. It gets a little bit easier putting them on your head as you go. You like don't really need the comb as much as before, but it does help having it. So yeah. So I'm gonna keep going. I also, another kind of clip that I like are these to fill in any like small gaps. I like these kinds. So it's like a bow, but on the back it has, oh, I think this is called an alligator clip. I find that these are easier to put on as compared to like other tiny ones that are like this bunny right here. I really need to learn the terms of these clips, but maybe if I look it up in a bit, I can like add it in what exactly the name is, but oh, wah! So yeah, the easy thing about this, you just open and then close. Super easy to put it on. So to fill up this spot, I'm just gonna put this one here, like that. I'm just making sure that, because this one is kind of splitting, but it's all good. We can just cover it with like a, here. Let me just cover that up real quick. Ba-dum. Okay. Another kind of hair clip that I like are these long ones. Super easy to make. All you need is just like some stretchy string or any kind of string really. Put on a bunch of beads on it and then tie it onto a hair clip, and then bam, you've got like a long one. So I'm gonna put this like somewhere over here, like that. I like putting it on the sides. I've seen some people where like they put it all over their head and it just looks so cool. And I'm gonna put one on the other side too, like right there. It's coming together nicely. All right, and I think I might put like a butterfly one right here. Ooh, also another thing that you could do if you've got like these two, like if your hair is quite long, or even if it's short too, if you have, you can grab like two pieces of hair, and then you could have the hair clip going like down. So hair clip, hair clip, hair clip, hair clip, hair clip. And I've seen some, well, I've done it before where I put it in rainbow order and it looks so cool. So let's go ahead and put this on nicely. Alright, so I'm gonna continue putting on all these clippies. Oh, ah! Oh no! Maybe another recommendation I could give. Maybe don't have super long nails like me. It's a little bit hard. I haven't put on press-on nails in quite a while, so I'm not really used to it. Okay, there we go. Now I want to fill in all the spots with some tinier hair clips. So yeah, like what I like doing is I'll put like all the big ones first, and then to fill all the holes, I'll put smaller hair clips. Okay, so I pretty much put as many hair clips that I can on my bangs, but I'm gonna finish off with these tiny little dudes. So these, I really need to look up the names for these, but it's this kind of clip. Oh, it's like a butterfly clip. Yeah, that's what they usually call them, but these are like flower shaped. And I like kind of putting them all over the rest of my hair. Alright, I think I have covered pretty much every spot that I'm possibly able to right now, but this is the completed look. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You just gotta kind of start with one clip and then just keep going and going. But yeah, basically all you need are hair clips, a fine-tooth comb, and a little bit of patience. And then you can reach this point of having just a ton. But yeah, if anyone has any questions about like how to do things specifically, I'll be happy to help. Feel free to leave them below. I think this is gonna be it. Thank you all so much for watching this. I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to be you and be create. I don't know what I'm trying to think of like a new outro or something, but yeah, just get creative. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. You can do it. I believe in you. Bye.